Good morning, dear student. Myself Subhash Chandra. Today we will be studying about the physics and the topic is matter. This class is the for 8th class, and in the previous classes we briefly study about the science, but today we will be study on the basis of kinetic theory what is matter. So we can revise the briefly about the matter and its component. We know that in this world many things are present and they are consist of the matter. Matter is anything that has the occupies space and mass. Occupies space means that cover the area, and mass the body contain is called mass. So we can say that the matter is the consist of the smaller particles. This particle is called the molecules or atoms. Atoms or molecules makes the elements, and the elements are the smallest particle is atom. Atom is the participate in chemical reaction, but it is not found in free state, or it is not independently exist. So we can say that atoms are not present in free state. Atoms are combined to form the molecules. The molecules are two types. First is homoatomic, and second is heteroatomic. So the question are homoatomic molecules. Homo means same. Homo means same. That means the same types of two or more atoms combined to each other, then form the homoatomic molecule. Homoatomic molecules. And heteroatomic molecules. Heteroatomic molecules are different types of the atom combined to each other, then form the heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means different. Hetero means different, and homo means same. Example: when the hydrogen combined to the hydrogen atom, then form the hydrogen molecules. So oxygen and oxygen combine to each other, then form the molecule of oxygen. And example of heteroatomic molecules like the CO2, then H2O, CO2 and H2O, H2SO4, S2SO4, sulfuric acid are the heteroatomic molecules, etc. So the hydrogen and hydrogen atom are same, then form the same hydrogen molecules. Oxygen and oxygen are same, then form the oxygen molecules. But the carbon and oxygen are the difference of atom and combine to each other, then form the heteroatomic molecules. The carbon dioxide is consist of one atom of carbon and two atom of oxygen, such that water is the consist of two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Then we can say that the water is the heteroatomic molecules. And to more study about the matter, we can say that atom is the smallest particle we cannot see our naked eye. By seeing it, we can use the microscope, and the microscopes uses we can find that atom are combined to each other and are molecule combined to each other, are tiny particle combined to each other, then form the matter, and they are moved and closely packed. They are moved and closely packed. So with the more knowledge we study about the matter, we knowing the kinetic theory. So we can study the kinetic theory. What is kinetic theory? What is kinetic theory? We know that all the things is consist of the matter and the tiny particles. The all things consist of atom, molecule, are tiny particles. Second, the molecules of the matter have closely packed and they have some space between the molecules are present space. This space is known as the intermolecular space. Intermolecular space. Third, the matter's particles are combined to each other and they are closely packed. The closely packed between the attraction force of the intermolecular space. This force is known as the intermolecular force. The force acts between two molecules of any substance is called the intermolecular force. If increase the temperature of the molecules, then the movement of molecules are increased, and we decrease the temperature of the molecules, then decrease the movement or motion of the molecule. So we can say that the temperature is directly proportional to the kinetic energy. But the kinetic force or the intermolecular force inversely proportional to the intermolecular space. Intermolecular force inversely proportional intermolecular space. That means if the intermolecular force are more between the molecules, then the intermolecular space is less. If increase the intermolecular space between the molecules, then the decrease the intermolecular force between the molecules. So we can say that the matter are depend, they are the molecular force, space and temperature. That is depend on the temperature. And if the motion of increase, the kinetic energy is increased. If the temperature decrease, the kinetic energy slow. The liquid and gas can flow. Liquid and gas can flow because they are usually paired to each other. Their intermolecular force and intermolecular space are that depend on the temperature. The liquid are loosely packed to each other and the gas are the loosely packed to each other comparison to the solid. Due to this reason, they are flow and they achieve their container, and its shape and size are not definite. Are not definite. आगे चलते हैं. Further, the kinetic theory are depend 5 point. First is the molecules and the atom and the tiny particles makes the matter, and between the molecules or atom or tiny particle have the molecular space. Due to the molecular space depend their shape and size. If the molecular space is very less, then the attraction force is high. Due to this reason, they are always present into the solid state. If the intermolecular force are high, then the intermolecular space is very less. If they increase the temperature of the molecule, the motion or kinetic energy are increased. If they decrease the temperature of the molecules or matter, then they decrease the kinetic energy. So we can say that the temperature inversely proportional to the kinetic energy, and the intermolecular space and intermolecular force are inversely proportional to each other. If that increases the intermolecular force, then they decrease the intermolecular space. If they increase the intermolecular space, then the molecular force are increased. So we can say that liquid and gases are loosely packed to each other, and they have the max intermolecular space comparison to the solid. Due to this reason, they are flow and they drop in any container, they receive their shape, and due to this reason, its shape not definite but volume definite. So it is kinetic energy and the theory of matters. In further classes, we discussed about the characteristics of the matter and their kinetic theory and their changes of state on the basis of kinetic theory. Thanks for it and revise the video